Let's begin. Okay, good afternoon again to my beloved viewers. Let's move forward into our exercise. Planning and Control Management, Part 4, Program Progress Monitoring, Updating, and Controlling. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. Our previous episode was Part 4, Session 17. For Progress Update 001, we discussed resource cost histogram in Primavera P6. And now, our current episode, Part 4, Session 18. We will be discussing a resource cost profile in Primavera P6 for our Progress Update 001. Okay, since we have completed our resource cost histogram, now we have to generate its graphical presentation. Okay, our objective here is to demonstrate how to generate resource cost profile in Primavera P6. Okay, we will go to our Primavera P6. Now, since we are talking about the resource profile, we will open our, We'll go to activity, and then we'll go to resource profile. We will be looking for the, we will use our previous layout as a template where we can find it. It's about resource, right? Resource usage profile. Okay, this one. Okay, let's apply. Now, what happened? So if we can see here, all the resources are displayed in here. So what we are going to do here is to right click here and then filtered by current project resources. Okay, so here we go. Now, if we click the this dump truck, so only the dump truck here will be shown, the graph of the dump truck. Now, if we will, anyway, before that, we have to save this in different layout name. So let's go to save. And here we will move to project, and then let's rename this to resource cost profile. And then save. Okay. So now, if you want to see the location of the resources in the whole project duration, you can click, let's say, for example, Trincher. So Trincher is being used only on this period of our project. Let's say heavy equipment. So our heavy equipment operator are used here for 6 period of our project. Now, since we will be working for the whole cost of the project, so we have to highlight everything, and that is the outcome. Now, if you look at here, where is the data date? And okay, here is the data date, and this is now the cumulative, this is the cumulative profile of all the cost of the whole project. Now here, this is the period where we updated our program. So we will modify and try to organize this as per the actual, including the actual data that we have taken from our progress update. So what shall we do here? So next we have to right click here and we will show the time scale. So when we look at the time scale here, I think this is okay. This is fine. So we will just move this a little bit for the 11th month. Right click again, and then let's go to first we will check our user preference. We can find it here in the edit. And if you click this one, you will be brought. Okay, so here in the application, no, resource analysis. So here, the time distributed data, so we will be using the forecast dates and in monthly interval, so that is okay. So let's close it. Now let's right click again, then we'll go to resource usage option, profile option. Now here, the same as in the performance and cost profile, we will be, we have two choices here, whether we have to use the data of the units or the cost. So we are only concerned of the cost because of course a cost comes from the rates of the unit also. Just for now, we will be using the cost as our cost field as our data here. So okay, so now we will be showing the budgeted data. So we will make this as a, what shall we do for budgeted data? We'll make it block. And our actual, so we will make it as blue. So that's fine. We will check this one. The bar here doesn't display because we didn't check it here. But now since we check it, I think it will appear. How about the remaining dates? So here in the total remaining dates, we will use the early as green. So this is fine also. So this one, we will make this as red. Okay, that's fine. And then we will check our remaining early. Okay. And then in our graph, we will line color solid. Actually, this is the same as in the performance and cost profile, except that under the performance cost profile, we are using the data of the earned value, while here we are using the data of the resource. Okay, that is the only difference there. Okay, the background is 8. So I think this is already fine in our graph. So we'll get back to the data. And then let's apply. Okay, what comes out? Okay, so we will also, the remaining late, we will also check this one, then apply. Okay. So here, if you can see the legend here, just follow what we have done in here. So if we will budgeted total budgeted cost, so all the black color bar and the black profile line here is for the budgeted total cost, and the period actual cost, blue, is for the budgeted total cost also, including the line here. This is what I don't like in Primavera, because this line here, it should be until here at the data date only, but it extends up to the end of the project. But anyway, we understand that it should be here only. So remaining early cost, so green, and also of course the green color here is for the remaining early cost, and the late or the remaining late cost is this broken line, red color, and also for the bar. Okay. So anything else? I think we're done already. That's simple. If you want the units, just check it and then apply. So it will just check accordingly. We will not show the over allocation and the limit. See, we will explain this later. What else? So we will get back to the cost and then apply that. We will be working on cost only. Okay, okay. And let's preview what will be the appearance of this profile. So again, I will explain it again. So all the black color here, whether it is a line or a vertical bar, that is for the budgeted cost. And the blue color is for the actual cost. The bar and the line should be up to the data date only. And the remaining early cost is the green color, the bar and the green profile line. And also for the remaining late cost is this one, the broken line or the dash line in red color. So that's all. So let's see the preview. If what is the oh my God. Okay, so here we go. So resource cost profile, data date. Okay, so it looks acceptable. Okay, here at the bottom, you can see the legend here that the black color is for the budgeted cost. The, the actual cost or period actual cost is for the actual, the color blue is for the actual cost. And the green is the remaining early cost, and the remaining late cost for the red color bar and a profile line. So, okay, let's save this into PDF. And we will name it as resource. Okay, let's follow this one. Resource cost profile. Or we can say it also as S-curve. And actually, normally in they usually call it as a S-curve because it looks mostly it looks like an S-curve. So either you use S-curve or profile, they're the same as long as you understand it. Okay, let's save it. Okay. So it's very simple. You know why? Because we have already our template to be used for the next report layout. We have already prepared template. We will just be renaming it and to the current name or current progress update. Okay. I think I think we're done. So let's close this one. And then let's get back into our slide. Okay, and here is our final result. This is coming from our Primavera P6. Okay, if you can see this blue line here, just ignore it because actually the profile of the actual cost should be until here only. So, but the line extends up to the completion or up to the end. Okay, that's all for now. So our next episode is part 4, session 19. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. It will be for the progress update 001 project longest pass, critical pass, and 1 month look ahead. Okay. So this will take not to a very long session. Okay, end of our session. God bless to all and goodbye.